Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect E-Trade linked accounts to transfer positions, full guide step by step clearly. To connect E-Trade linked accounts for transferring positions, start by logging into your E-Trade account. Navigate to the Accounts section from the main dashboard. Select Linked Accounts from the drop-down menu. Click on Add Account. Choose the type of account you want to link, such as another brokerage or bank account. Enter the requested information for the account you wish to link. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues during the connection process. Once you have completed the required fields, click Continue. E-Trade will initiate the verification process for the linked account. Follow any additional prompts to verify your ownership of the account. Once verified, the linked account will appear in your E-Trade profile. Now, navigate to the Transfer section on the main dashboard. Select Transfer Positions from the options available. Choose the linked account you want to transfer positions from. Select the specific positions or assets you wish to transfer. Review the information to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transfer details and click Submit. You may receive a confirmation message once the transfer is processed. Keep an eye on your account for updates on the transfer status. If you encounter any issues, contact E-Trade customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.